Some people say it's unnecessary and others won't carry without one. Weapon mounted lights. In this video, we're going to talk about if you actually need one for concealed carry or if it's just tactical nonsense. This video is sponsored by Eclipse Holsters. These holsters are insanely customizable with tons of different patterns, colors, belt clips, and aluminum washers. They also have some really cool custom accessories to go with your holster. I've been to their factory and seen their process firsthand. They care so much about the quality of every holster that they make. The best part is that your holster will ship in just 3 business days or less. If you want a custom holster with 0 wait time and a lifetime guarantee, then check them out at eclipseholsters.com. What is up, guys? Modern Protector here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. Let's start with why most concealed carriers don't run a weapons mounted light. They require a bigger holster, they add weight, they're less comfortable. It's not exactly a minimal option. And let's be honest, you're probably not clearing dark buildings at night like your SWAT. So a lot of people just skip them, and I get it. But here's the thing. Weapon-mounted lights aren't about looking cool. They're about being able to see a threat clearly when it actually matters. If you've ever trained in low light, you know how fast things can fall apart when you can't see your target clearly. Turns out seeing what you're shooting at is pretty important.
It's true.
So let's talk about what they're actually good for. Home defense. It's the middle of the night and you hear something shatter. Your kids are asleep in the next room and you need to see, but you need both hands on the gun too. That's where a weapon-mounted light really shines. Evening carry. You're working late, you're walking across a parking lot because you stopped at a gas station on your way home, and somebody wants to stab you for your car keys.
I will stab you in the neck with a knife!
Most violent crimes happen after dark, so the chances of you needing your gun go up when visibility goes down. Even if you're just walking to your car at night, if something goes wrong, you might need to drop your handheld light and get both hands on the gun. In that moment, a weapon-mounted light could save your life. So do you need one? If you're carrying during the day in well-lit environments and you train regularly with your handheld light, you're probably all right. But honestly, most of us are out after dark more than we plan on, even if it's just running to Dollar General. Is there a place more dangerous than Dollar General after 8 p.m.?
I don't think so.
If you ever have to face a deadly threat in the dark, nothing else will do. And that's something worth thinking about. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Do you carry a weapon-mounted light? And would you ever consider it? If you're gonna carry one of these though, make sure that you have a holster that's compatible with that specific light, since most light-bearing holsters hold the retention of the gun based on the light. If you gained value from this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.